What's up guys? I hope everyone's doing good. So I just finished my workout right now and I'm about to drive home. The reason why I am doing kind of a different video today is just I wanted to buy this camera and kind of drive around sometimes because I'm always driving places or driving home from my girlfriend's place. Oh my god. And bear with me guys, I'm driving with basically I have a camera on my forehead right now, so I'm not super comfortable when people stare at me, but I'm gonna try to just ignore any stares if I get any. I didn't want to be in finance guy in front of sell sheet just showing YMAX ETFs, showing yields and showing like passive income potential. Like I also wanted to share my stories with my personal income. The whole point of my channel is yes to inform people, and I'm also learning myself. Like I'm looking into all these ETFs to make those YouTube videos, and I'm getting positive feedbacks, and it's just a feedback loop, you know. Like as I'm getting positive feedback on my videos, it just makes me want to make more videos. And I do research in ETFs and stuff like that. I post videos about them showing the potential yield, whatever, and then people are like, thank you so much, I actually learned. And I'm like, wow. Like for me, this is like this is information that is so simple. And I know that a lot of people are new to these kind of covered call ETFs, like high yield ETFs. When I'm at the gym and I'm talking with my friends and they ask me about investing and stuff like that, and I tell them I'm into like income investing, like they have no idea what that means. Like it's pretty much a new term in the investing world. Like 5 years ago, 12% yield would be considered extra risky and you would be dumb to put a lot of money into that. And today people are chasing 80% yield and they're not happy with 12%. So like the world of investing is always evolving. Now if you want growth, you can invest in growth. If you want dividend investing, you can invest in dividend growth like SCHD. If you want income investing for XY reason, like myself and people following my channel, you can. So we all have all the different options that we want. So yeah guys, I just wanted to get more personal with you guys. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna talk about in this video, like just give you guys updates on my life. Like I'm a 27 years old software engineer. I'm passionate about finance, investing, income ETFs. If you guys saw my videos where I calculate the yield of whatever, and I forecast like how much would I make if I invest $500 a month into ULTY for 2 years, I literally do this thing on my own every single day, and I've been doing this for the past months. And the fact that I'm able to put that on YouTube to share with other people, and I actually got a lot of views and people are responding well to it, it means that I'm probably not the only one doing that. Or maybe the fact that I'm putting that on YouTube is that I can share some knowledge and I can share some ideas and share the potential of income investing. Like I always wanted to start a YouTube channel where I could be more myself like I am right now. I already been monetized on YouTube, and I had a channel with 5,000 subscribers in the past where I was doing futures trading, and it went pretty well. But the thing is, day trading is very stressful. It doesn't take a lot of time in your day, but it's very stressful, and you can make a lot of money, and at the same time you can lose that money also in 2 seconds. So I stopped day trading, and like I had two choices. Like either I kept doing YouTube videos just to make money. What is this guy doing? I have no idea. I think he's lost. Anyways, nice Mustang. I had two choices. Either I kept making trading videos and I kind of faked it just to get subscribers, and you guys have no idea how much money you can make in the trading space. People open Discords and they sell courses, and you don't need a lot of followings for people to buy into them. And literally my followers wanted me to make a course, wanted me to make a Discord, and I was genuine. Like I wasn't about to make a fake course and all these things, so I didn't go that route. Anyways, now I'm back on YouTube, and it's kind of my second rodeo with YouTube, but this time I bought this camera and I just hit record and I talk about my passion, which is like investing in finance, and people relate to it, people like it, so I'm happy. And I'll be able to be consistent now with my YouTube channel, and I don't have to, it's not like related to trading. Like I'll be investing my whole life. We're gonna go through ups and downs with the market, and there's always gonna be things to talk about. There's always gonna be people asking questions. Should I pass this guy? Let me pass this semi-truck. This time I can actually be consistent with my channel. I'm thinking of buying some ULTY shares very soon. So as you know, there's going to be a lot of earnings in July and in August. And earnings means volatility. So the yield of YMAX, the yield of ULTY. Like I was talking about it with my friend. I was like, I'm stacking up my shares of YMAX because I know earnings are coming, and YMAX is gonna bump up their distributions again to like probably 15 cents plus. And I was thinking, I was like, literally ULTY too. Like if the market is super volatile and ULTY does like really aggressive plays around earnings, and they're protected by collars, there might be a potential for ULTY to pay out a 10 cent plus distribution during those crazy earnings period that we're about to experience. I also wanted to talk, guys, like my mindset with investing. Me personally, from my income, I'm making in the 6 figures, so I'm pretty good, but I'm not insanely good. I have some friends who work in the medical field, like doctors and dentists. They make crazy amount of monies. You guys have no idea. No matter how much money you're making, if you're making 50K a year or if you're making 500K a year, it doesn't matter how much money you're making. If you do not invest, you're gonna be working basically until you die, because you can't rely on the government's pension for your retirement. In Canada, it's pretty crazy. It's like 800 a month. And just to give you guys an average, right now the average rent for like a 3.5 an apartment with a 1 bedroom is like 1.5K a month, you know. So you can't be living on the government's pension. You can't rely on that. People get caught up in the lifestyle creep stuff, whatever. Like as soon as they make money, they move in a nicer place, they get a nice car, and it's like getting a new iPhone every single year. You get a nice car, and 2-3 years after you get sick of it, you want a nicer one, and you never get yourself out of debt. You never get yourself out of paying all these liabilities, paying all these bills. I'm living a really minimalist lifestyle. So I basically pay my bills every month. My car is paid off, as you can see. It's not the craziest car. It's a nice car, fun car to drive, but it's not it's not a brand new car. Financing a 2025 BMW or something like that. And aside from enjoying life, you know, like going out with my friends, with my girlfriend, and buying stuff here and there, like you have to enjoy life, or else you can't. Like, what's the point of investing? You're investing for your future, but you're not living your current life, you know? Can I pass? Okay. Thanks. And honestly, I'm a car guy. So my plan is like next year, if all of my things fall into place, like my portfolio, like I need to force myself to spend money. Mastering money, like you need to understand the art of saving your money and investing, but you need to also understand the art of spending. You can't be too frugal with your money, and you can't be like a rat, you know? Like you can't be saving 90% of your income. Like you're never going to enjoy your life, and you're gonna die at some point, and you can't bring that money with you. Like, yes, you have to build your wealth, but you can build your wealth by, some people, they're comfortable saving 25% of their income. It really depends on how fast you want to get to your goal. Like me personally, I'm saving like 70%, 60% of my income, and I'm trying to get there as fast as possible without sacrificing too much of my lifestyle. Currently, what I'm sacrificing from my lifestyle is not driving a nice car. Like, my car is nice, don't get me wrong. Like, it works well, and it's not too ugly and all these things. It could be worse. Like, I have a car, I'm grateful for that. Some people, they don't even have a car, and I can afford a nice car, but I'm holding off. And there's a lot of people that I follow on YouTube who do that, and I respect that a lot. I'm just trying to stay motivated, because I know that my mindset right now is, if the drip cannot afford it, is this truck gonna kill me? I have no idea what he's doing. The construction worker like told him to go, but she wasn't even watching if I was going. Yeah, my mindset right now is, if the drip cannot afford it and it's a liability, I should not afford it, you know? Like, I don't care if I make 10K a month from my 9-to-5 job or for a business. If my passive income doesn't make 10K a month, I can't afford a 10K a month liability. I think it's a very good mindset to be able to build your wealth as fast as possible. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. That was more of a personal video. Like, I'll just post this probably on Saturday or something. I'll see how it does. Like, hopefully you guys enjoy it. Like, I just bought this camera, and hopefully it will be useful. Even if there's just a few people who in the comments who tell me that they enjoyed the video, I'll be happy with that. And I'll probably post like a driving vlog once in a while. I just enjoy talking about other stuff than ETFs and sitting in front of an Excel sheet. I also want to share stories, like how I built my portfolio. That's something that could be very interesting. Like, I almost got myself into a big debt 2 times. Like, last year I almost got a nice car. This year I literally almost got a nice car. I put a deposit and I canceled last minute, and I throw everything in my portfolio. And those 2 years in a row when I did that, I kind of doubled my portfolio's income. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like, I was in the middle of talking and the camera just overheated that I just bought. So I'm not too sure. I have to figure out how this thing works. I'm not too sure why it was overheating like this. Hopefully this video will help with connecting with the subscribers and everything with you guys. So until next time, guys, take care.